Pepperoni.
Hello. Is that why you took something? You had to go get your camera?
No. I'm making mac and cheese.
The most important another day.
Water from what?
For the camera.
From your butt?
Definitely, man, definitely.
How do you get it to focus?
Huh?
Oh, nothing.
Sometimes it messes up autofocus.
It should have manual focus.
It does. Well,
You know what I mean?
Manual and auto. It's on auto right now.
He's cooking a 6-course meal.
6 course.
The first course is boiled water. And with like yellow guck in it.
Yeah. I'm a chef.
He's got a pimple on his nose.
I got a pimple everywhere.
Let me see. No, you can't really see those.
Yeah, it's because of shaving. They're actually ingrown hairs.
Ooh, really? Let's see. What else we got going?
Have you seen the video of the?
He puked on himself?
Waterfall yet? What?
Show the camera.
Wait, what?
I said he puked on himself.
Yeah.
He got a little too drunk this morning.
Anymore. He puked out water. I'm too efficient at cleaning myself.
Oh my
I don't get to see my revolution idol.
god. Memorial Day. What even is Memorial Day?
For the day that Jesus died.
Jesus died?
Yeah.
Oh. It's like war.
It's for those guys who like died and stuff.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Those
It's
one
to
guys.
remember the people who died in war.
It better. And it hurt my ears really bad.
Oh yeah.
Like my ears were ringing for like 2 hours.
They would sound like interesting about your life.
I think.
There's one time in our graders, I was about to loot.
Tell us something, Fisher.
Yeah, tell us
Stop
something.
recording me.
Tell us something.
Fisher, you will go down forever as the person who's like, stop recording me.
Yeah.
Throwing dirt down.
Fisher, one day this will be on my YouTube channel. All you'll see is stop recording me.
Look, some fire came there. You can just tell.
Yeah, okay, you gotta be recorded, Fisher.
Tell a story.
What
Fisher.
do you mean?
Fisher, tell a story in the
Tell
camera
a
will go
story.
away.
Tell a story.
Tell a story. Tell a story. Tell a story.
Doesn't even have to be a bad story, just like a...
No.
What's a story? Any story.
You don't know what a story
You
is?
don't know what a story is?
I don't have
Have you ever heard of
stories.
Shrek?
My life is boring.
Shrek. Your life is boring?
My life is boring.
Your life is not
I don't
boring.
have any stories.
Go on, Fisher.
I haven't had anything. I don't have any stories.
Make one up.
What about that girl you said you were talking to?
Make them. What?
Yeah,
What
Fisher.
about that girl you said
what
you were
about the
talking
girl
to?
you were talking
Remember? You said you kind of went on a little date with her after school? Remember?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, you were saying you were kind of
And
hopeful
you like,
about it.
and then you're like, I don't really like this. I wish you were a boy.
Crazy.
Yeah, you started thinking about that.
Remember that?
No.
I mean, you told me
My-
that.
He's just
memory's
pretending.
taken.
He's just pretending like he doesn't remember that because I'm filming.
Oh, yeah. Post that on YouTube.
The story of Fisher.
Story of Fisher. Wow. You gotta coordinate the vibe if you're gonna be in the passenger seat. You got some quips in there, some amphetamine rapping.
Stop recording me! Wow. Elliot doesn't record. I meant to throw it at Elliot, but it slipped out of my hand.
Oh, it's the wind. Shit. My bad. Why'd you do that? I'm
I
trying.
only say that when I throw it, but not when Elliot throws it.
Man, don't unwrap my time. You just be grabbing
I'll do
stuff.
better. I'll do better.
Like my volleyball, or just do that and go.
What?
Oh, yeah, it's in my room. I don't think because my room is so big.
I don't think you play volleyball. Stop stroking my head. Okay. Well, Fisher, say that again.
It's gay.
Okay.
think I
I just need to
play
capture it.
Is that what you
I really need to get the essence
You
of
don't think I
Fisher.
play volleyball? I'm really scared. I have to take a really big deuce. I'm scared. There's a line. I have no toilet paper here. Put it where you need in there. And hold it.
Okay.
I've got to do business.
You gotta do business.
Alright, I'm gonna stand back.
Yeah, stand back. Everybody get back.
Stand back.
Stop.
Does that hurt?
Yes, it does hurt.
Weird picture. Minority Report. You ever watch that?
No.
Good.
I've never seen
Where
that.
he comes from, it's just called Report.
Warnings. They're reporting them to the police. They're busy police, right?
Do it again.
You can't lose the beast, bro.
It's making the beast giggle.
It's crazy in there.
Was
there knocking?
Yeah.
I think it might have been the ghost.
We might have been here before.
I think no. This looks a lot like Bernie Falls, but it's not.
Yeah, this is not Bernie.
Wow.
The people got this pretty cool. We should be able to here.
So I think there's a waterfall around here.
There might be a waterfall here.
I like the height. Wow. This was a quick.
Some people down here. Yeah. It doesn't look like anyone's swimming.
Yeah, it is. Look at all the people right there on the rock.
I see
There's
like,
people down there.
Oh wow, yeah, yeah. Rocky.
Down here.
Wow.
Dude, the water's gotta be like ice cold.
Yeah.
Dude.
I don't know.
What if people call you Roddy?
Over there.
You just swim? Well, I think you can walk across right there.
I want to walk across.
What?
I want to walk across from right there, probably.
Okay. Let's do that.
This is such a cool spot. Rocky. Rock.
Might fall.
Walk up to that girl there. Sure. Is no walk through the lodge?
Yeah, he already did it.
It's fine, he's recording it. Where do you go from there?
I know, that's what I was thinking.
There's nowhere I don't know.
He doesn't know where to go.
It's a very long and dangerous journey for the camcorder. We made it across. I'm kind of scared to make it go on the other way back because I just bought this camcorder. But I think we'll be fine. The moss looks like little things of yarn. An otter? That's cool.
I was meditating.
This is so cool.
The last of my batteries to take photos. I'm getting it.
Oh, I didn't get him hitting the water. I'm scared of getting the camcorder wet. I don't want to get it misty. But I gotta get it.
Misty here.
It's not?
No.
I can feel it though.
It is not. I'm telling you.
Alright, here you go. What'd you get? Oh, he blended in the rock.
Imagine Billy talking about that. Oh. Feels something. That is like professional
Dude, that's such a gnarly way up there though. It's the walk up that scares me. Like, they have to walk around trees and crap on an angle.
Yeah. That was the camera.
There is.
Yeah.
Yeah, gnarly. Woohoo! Wait, you weren't recording. Wait, did you stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of want to get in. Like,
we all got in the water. And now Rocky might jump off this rock. I don't know.
I'm not gonna.
Alright.
Fish saw me when I slid down that rock like
Oh, yeah.
half the inch.
Oh, yeah, when you're like,
Dude, I thought I was gonna go in.
The camcorder's fine.
is that from there?
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
You can see like
I'll get a break.
what the heck's the brain?
It's like when you like rub your skin like really hard and then like instead of
Taking
like
little snacks, bro.
instead of like just kind of it's like a burn. It's like,
That's what it feels like, a burn.
and it hurts way more than it
I what? This is what was that?
Yeah, what was that?
hurts way more as a food. It's like honey.
Is it a car?
Yeah, what was that?
Interesting. Oh, looks like there's water in here.
Like it. That looks so comfortable. That's a great flat line.
Hey, bro.
Oh, he caught one.
Glad I got in. Glad I got in. Glad we got in. We're so stupid.
Like, dude,
guys, like-
I'm gonna be in the water.
Rocky.
What?
Can I grab my phone?
I wonder what Lower Falls is gonna be.
I think there's gonna be a waterfall
Ooh, I think you're right.
and some rocks. And probably some trees, some dirt.
Does this path go to it, or is this the path up?
Huh?
Does this path go to it, or is this the path
I'm
up?
assuming because this is middle, we're going lower. Going up is where we started. Where we started.
All right.
Then we're gonna lose a child.
What'd you think about this waterfall Fisher?
Lame. Oh yeah, we should give it a rating.
What'd you think about this?
8.2. It was cool. It was like
1.
unique.
It was horrible.
It was a little bit unique.
I think
had that little
truly was 8.2. Yeah.
1.
8.2 for me.
8.2.
What
Eight.
was the other one?
Eight.
The other
Totem Falls.
Totem
That was
Falls
a 9.
9.1.
Yeah, I say 7.8.
For this one?
Yeah.
Why didn't you like this one?
I liked it, but again, I like it more when there's you can go behind it.
Yeah.
I like going behind it. Again, it's kind of biased for me, but it's whatever.
Such a cool spot over here.
I mean, yeah, the walk is actually way nicer than Totem Falls.